Hello, welcome back into the schematic World channel. So in this video we see how we can download, install and use forever the Maple software. For this one you need to be search the maplesoft.com website on the browser, and that web page is open in front of you. So why we use the Maple is a very advanced tool for mathematical calculation analysis for researchers and for mathematicians, okay, and also for engineers. So now there is the button for download the free trial. So click on it, then that web page is opened, which is say download the free trial for Maple. Don't worry, it is free forever. How you can do it? You need to be reclaimed after the 15 days. Okay, I know that that's the only thing which you need to be do, because if you want to be use official way, it's only official way to be claimed the trial when you need them again and again. And how you can use it? You just need to be change the email, and for this one I am using the temporary mail. Okay, so I just be delete that mail, and they give me the new mail, and I copy it and claim the new trial. So I just copy it and paste it here and click on get your free trial. Now here they ask me to be fill the details. Okay, so I quickly fill it. Job title I clear, choose the student, and then I choose a student from here. So these two fields I don't need to be filled, and then I click on term and condition and click on go. Now he say that click the link in your email to get the Maple software. So okay, I need to be wait here until I receive the mail. Now you see after the few seconds I just received the mail from the Maplesoft software, and this is the 15-day trial they give me. I just be click on it. So you see the download and install the Maple. So there is the link for downloading it, and this is the token which I need to be copy for activating the Maple. So I also take the screenshot of it because I want to be save it for future, because I don't want to be lose that code. So this is the purchase code, or you say that trial code for 15 days, which activated the Maple 100% free for the 15 days. And next time you also claim new and just uninstall the thing and again install, and during installing just change the your activation code. Now click on this link, and you see there is the three operating system. Click on Windows 64-bit, and okay, they ask for the Maple software. Okay, it is unverified download. Just click on it and click on download the unverified file button. And don't worry, this is verified, but Chrome is taking it unverified. So it's take the time because this is the 2.2 GB. I already install it, so I just be delete it, and I show you how you can make how you can run it and install it, and also how you can activate it. So right click on it and run as administrator this software, and wait for a few seconds. Then their installer is in front of you. Choose the English as your default language. Click on OK. Installer page is come. Click on next here and click I accept the agreement. Click on it, then click on next again. Choose the installation directly. I don't be changed here. Click on next. By default things, okay, click on yes. Not change anything. Click on next here. Okay, and then they detect me MATLAB configuration files, but like MATLAB files, then they say me okay, I need to be configure, but I don't have a MATLAB. I uninstalled it yesterday. So if you have, then you can configure it with, otherwise just click on next. Yeah, single user license, click on next. Okay, just click on next here. Now don't worry, they are just checking the update, this version is updated version or not, otherwise they ask to update it. And then yeah, this is updated. Click on OK here and click on next again. Now installation is start is take the 50 to 25 minutes depending on your PC speed. In my PC they roughly take the 12 minutes to install the software. The Maple software is very advanced so mathematical software which the engineers and researchers used for mathematical analysis. So don't worry, give him the time and they installed, and after that we see how we can activate it. Now you see our they ask for activating the Maple. Don't be untick it. Okay, just click on finished after it, and then the activation window is come in front of us. Click on finish button, and now this is the Maplesoft activation. So we need to be paste the code which we copied. So this is the previous installation, that's why my code is changed here, because I also claim the second time to show you how you can claim the trial. So make sure you put your first name and the last name and the email address the same which you used for trial version. Okay, that's my previous trial. I used already the same process before recording the videos to be verifying it's worked or not. And now this is the email of the temporary email which I used that time, and then click on next. They ask me to tick mark on the icon script of collection of information, and then click on next. And now the semi activation is created. Okay. After that, you see your desktop also have this software. Just double click on it, and Maple 2025 is in front of you, and you can use it very easily. I run the simple adding the two numbers, and you see they do it. They also do the very complex mathematical equations and solutions they provide you, and also it's very helpful for researchers and engineers. So I see you the next time. Okay, if you don't download this SCHEMATIC free software, this is the free software which is give you the lot of things like downloading and installing the Proteus library with a single one click. It is the Proteus library manager tool also in that software, and also there is the tool of the Arduino IDE with the help of hexa file creation. If you want any kind of hexa file of the Arduino IDE, so it's very complicated to copy the link, but in that software you can very easily run the verification of the code and then download the hexa file. Please subscribe this SCHEMATIC channel and like this video. I also making a lot of videos related to the engineering software installation and also the tutorials. Share with your friend, and also comment me down if you need any kind of help related to any other software. So in the next video I show you how you can download the Maplesoft software in the 2026. And also I tell you what is the difference between the simple Maple and a Maple sim.